Hey everyone, Corvus here. Welcome to this vlog video in which I will give you some general updates on the channel and on what's going on here on the painting desk. So first of all, I want to kick off this video with a painted model. Don't know if this is very well visible, but anyway I will post another video soon with a showcase video about this model, so you can see it in greater detail because the camera is having a bit of trouble focusing now. But anyway, this is the Lord Executioner on Ethereal Steed from the Soul War set. And why this is important is that this is the final model of the Soul War set, so I finally succeeded completing this project, which is something I talked about extensively in the previous vlog video. Anyway, I spent a little over 6 months, almost 7 months on the project. Took quite a while, but overall I'm very happy with the overall consistency and overall quality I achieved on these models. So look forward to the showcase video, and then after that I will probably gather up some of the painted miniatures, give an overall overview of the army. I haven't put them together yet all on the table. I think it will be quite an impressive sight. So very happy to get that project finally finished, and on to the next project, which I'm also doing a separate video on. These are some let's use these small boxes to transport the miniatures. So they have just been varnished earlier today. There will be a little story about the varnishing. Had a bit of an incident there later in the video, but anyway, these are the Infinity models I'm currently working on. It's an I think I also discussed this in the previous vlog video. It's a commission I'm working on. So you have this bigger tank guy, 2 of these smaller robots. Probably camera won't pick this up, they're too small, and then 2 regular sized figures from the Infinity, the Nomads faction. These are, so yeah, this will be shown in a separate video as well. Okay, I'm back. The laptop was about to run out of power, and also my recording software crashed. So back with the video, continuing the story where I left off. So the Infinity commission I'm working on is in total I think about 15 figures, and I finished these 5 first. The customer asked me to do so because he will use the figures in a tournament, and then what's left, I've put them here somewhere here. I think I also showed them in the previous video. About 10 of these. They're still sitting here on a towel because I've been washing them still have to assemble them further. These 10 remaining figures. So this is what remains of the commission. So a lot of generally sized Infinity figures, not the small robots or the bigger tanks left. So the customer has been using these already for gaming, so they're just mounted on a base like this. And then what I do is, first thing I do is give them a thorough wash. Here and there I will reassemble them where stuff got damaged during transport or during his first gaming sessions with these, and then I will base them and paint them accordingly. So that's the Infinity commission. I will probably be focusing on this in the next couple of weeks, and also giving you updates here and there. I've talked earlier about the varnishing I did earlier today, this morning. I'm always using a big fan of the Army Painter varnish, great product overall. But with this is a brand new bottle, but with the previous bottle I had a bit of a problem already going on for quite a while, that yeah, the nozzle was getting clogged up. So what you then usually do is just take it off, put it in some lukewarm water, and most of the time that will work. So I had to do that a couple of times, but it kept clogging up. And then the previous time that I used it, I uncapped it, and I noticed there was a big blob of varnish stuck on there for some reason. So last time I varnished the miniatures, yeah, and it kept spraying all the time. So what I did was, it didn't stop. So what I did, what you usually do when you finished varnishing, is put it upside down and then spray, so that there's a tube inside here that it isn't varnish that comes out, but it's just the other gas that comes out, so it clears the nozzle if you keep it upside down. So what I did, I thought, yeah, I'm going to use the same technique. So I capped it and I put it upside down here in my cupboard. So yeah, this morning I just took out the bottle like this, I opened it, and there was an entire stream of yeah, just a pool of varnish that was pulled here in the cap. I didn't see it. Yeah, and it just dropped down here on the disc. Luckily, it was only on the disc, not on the floor or something, or on something else. Only my phone cover, the phone cover which was lying here on the disc, got a few splatters on it, but that's not really a problem. But it was all on the disc. Yeah, I have some paper tissue here at hand, of course, and then I just started cleaning up. So there's a bit of varnish on the disc, but that's not really a problem. There's paint everywhere on this disc, so. Yeah, very lucky that it didn't cover any models or the floor or my clothes, for example, and also lucky that this wasn't a bottle of primer. Today was a small incident that I wanted to talk about, and then I gave you an update on the miniatures I'm currently painting. Another update, a bit of a small update, is on the channel. So as some of you have noticed, I've been away from YouTube again for a couple of months, and then I put up some videos over the past few weeks. Still working on a better strategy to optimize the uploading of the videos. So yesterday evening I shot, I think, 3 videos in a row. So I'm still waiting to get these edited, and the plan is to upload the video at least once a week. So for the past videos I succeeded in just batch editing some videos and scheduling them for the next couple of weeks. So I did this on a Wednesday evening. So I hope to get one of the videos I shot yesterday evening to get it ready by Wednesday, and then for this week, so last Wednesday there wasn't a video. So I'm doing this video now today on Sunday. Hope to get it online in the evening now. And just, yeah, in general I have a lot of ideas for videos, but it's just the shooting and the editing that takes up a bit of energy from me. But I tackled some problems here and there. I have a new laptop as well, a bit more powerful. I have new software. This is a free editing software I'm now using. It's called Shotcut. I'm also recording this with a webcam straight onto the computer, so just getting a lot of hurdles out of the way, just to minimize the overhead of the entire editing process. And I think that will benefit me and you also to get more videos out there with better content. So that's all for this video. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the Sunday afternoon here. I hope you can do the same. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.